Well, another day, another emergency in the lily collection. We had 25 millimeters or 1 inch of rain yesterday during the night, so everything's flooded now, and I had to start a pump, and it's already on, so you can see that the water is being pumped out, luckily. So hope everything's going well, and my iris is in flower, so that's something to look forward with a lot of buds. And also, well, I have to go through here. And also the lovely alliums are in flower. Every allium has this thing: when it flowers, the leaves start to go dormant, at least the bulbous ones. So interesting to see the flowers wet. This is Allium nigrum. Oh, sorry, Atropurpureum. So, thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.